Welcome back to Teacher B. Here is a circle theorem challenge with a tangent and a cyclic angle. Only two angles are given. Can you find the missing angle before the solution? Solution. In the question, we were given that line QT is tangent that touches the circle at M. Also, we were given angle XZM, which is 30 degrees. Angle XZM equal to 30 degrees. Also, we were given angle YMT. Angle YMT equal to 60 degrees. It now asks us to find angle XMY. Angle XMY equal to unknown. According to alternate segment theorem, angle between a tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. In this diagram, our XM is a chord and our QT is a tangent. That means the angle between our XM and QT, which is this angle, is equal to the angle in alternate segment, which is 30 degrees. So we can say our angle XMQ equal to angle XZM. Angle XMQ equal to 30 degrees. Our angle XZM is 30 degrees. So we can say this angle is 30 degrees. Now the question says we should find angle XMY. We know that angle XMQ plus XMY and YMT, they are angle on a straight line, and sum of angle on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So we can say angle XMY plus angle XMQ plus angle YMT equal to 180 degrees. Angle XMY plus our angle XMQ is 30 degrees. 30 degrees plus our angle YMT is 60 degrees. 60 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle XMY plus 30 plus 60 degrees will give us 90 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Angle XMY. If we transpose 90 degrees to the right hand side, the positive sign will change to negative. So we are going to have equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. Angle XMY equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. We are going to have 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So the correct option is C. The correct option is C. That's the answer. If you enjoyed this problem, please like, share and subscribe to Teacher B for more engaging geometry challenges. Thank you.